Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey girl, hey. Guys, today we are back and we are back with another car video. So guys, we are back with a what's in my bag, and today I am carrying the iconic Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette with their khaki color strap, what is olive green to me, like olive green, but they call it khaki on the website. And it is the bag it comes with the two pochettes. I'm pretty sure everybody know about this bag. I had this bag for a while and I haven't been showing her no love. I usually pull her out summertime when it get nice out. So it was a nice day today and I just wanted to wear like a green shirt. I got on black jeans and my Louis Vuitton baseball cap. And not doing anything too special. May go catch a movie or something like that with Babe later on tonight. So I just wanted to be cozy. So I decided to pull her out because, like I said, it's getting close to summertime. And she's a great summer bag. So we're just going to get right into what fits into my Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette with the green strap and what they call it, the coin purse. And you know they don't sell this coin purse anymore. You cannot buy this separate. You cannot buy just this coin purse. They used to sell a coin purse like this and it did not have this little hook on it. It just was a regular coin purse. So I'm glad I do have it because this is like a little iconic piece. They had the coin purse for years and now they don't have it anymore. So you can store coins in here. You can store like your AirPods. So for this, I will definitely put my AirPods in here because I don't carry coins. So I'm just going to change this out because my AirPods were in my car. So here's my AirPods and I do have them engraved and it says Mrs. White on them. So they fit pretty good in here. So in my coin purse, I have just my AirPods. And these are, I think, the Pros. Yeah, the AirPod Pros. So this just latches right on to this little D-ring that's attached to the strap. And the strap is adjustable. And it has Louis Vuitton written on it. And it's all one color, khaki. And these two bags are, you can disconnect these bags, unattach them if you like. Just real simple with these lobster clasps. You can just take them off. And then it has a little chain that you can put on here and you can just carry this one. Just show you. And then you just have your little pochette. And you can just carry it just like this. I probably will take mine apart and just carry this part to the movie theaters. I don't need both bags. But we're going to see what fits inside of this part first. So in here, I just use this as like my carry-all. Like, you know, if I had my big Louis bag, sometimes you could just throw this in there. So in here, of course, I have my Touchland hand sanitizer. Y'all know I love my Touchland hand sanitizer. It is just perfect. Right now, I have on my Dior lip oil, and this is the cherry oil. And you got to keep some Tylenol in your bag for a headache. You know, and it's that time of the season where the pollen's out, start getting headaches, sneezing and everything. And of course, y'all know I keep my flossers, and my toothpicks, and I'm definitely going to need these tonight because we will be eating popcorn. And my nail oil pen. It's almost time for a new one. It's getting low. And my tie pen fits very nice in here. That's what I like about this, what, you know, the length of it. You know, you can have stuff like this that fits pretty good. And then I always keep a hand wipe and flushable wipes. You never know. Nail glue, just in case you break a nail. Always got to keep some nail glue when you wear acrylic nails. And just some gas X for the popcorn, because you know the butter will give you some gas. So let me put all this back. And this is how it looks. It's pretty full. You don't want to overstuff it, because when you attach it to the bigger pochette, then it just like gets real bulky and they don't lay super flat. So, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. All right, so in the larger pochette, let's see what's in here. So in here I have my hand lotion. This is from Bath & Body Works, and it is a shea butter hand cream. I like this too. I'm running low on that. And then my scent of today is the Louis Vuitton Spell on You. I figure I'll take it, put a little bit more on before I meet Babe at the movie theater. I have my Chanel compact mirror, and it is the double mirror in black. The Chanel Classic compact mirror. I have my backup battery, and this is the MagSafe Apple charger, portable charger. And you know, you can actually charge this if you have a C-type in your car. You can actually, you know, charge it up if you're not using it, so it stay charged. And then I have my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. Do they call this a coin purse? Yeah, I think this is the zippy coin purse. And it's just a compact wallet. If you look on the Louis Vuitton website, you go to compact wallets, and it's on the website, and it zips all the way around just like the zippy wallet, and it opens accordion style. And then I just have some money, my ID, my Tesla key. I always keep this with me. You never know if I'm going to jump in a Tesla. This is the key to my Tesla. And you could probably fit more cards. So right now I have 9, but I have space probably for about 4 or 5 more cards. So you can fit a lot of cards in this compact wallet. This wallet is a perfect size wallet if you don't want to carry too much. And like I said, I have cash in here as well. So perfect compact wallet. And then I have my 6 key ring holder with my car key. I always hang it out because it's too bulky to fit inside. I won't be able to close it. And then I have, you know, like my keys to my store, my home, things like that. And then I have a air tag on my 6 ring holder. And then I have this little bumper to go on the air tag that I got from Target. And I just love to have that on there just in case. You never know if you put your bag down, you forget it, or somebody try to take your bag. Hopefully they won't check right away, and you have your air tag in here so you know where your stuff is. Or if you put your keys down, don't remember. But this is why I like this 6 key ring holder, is because it's pretty big and you're not going to misplace this. You're not going to misplace this. So before, when I used to just have my keys on just a key ring, I will always put my keys down, forget where I put it. So this is definitely worth the money. And I had this for a while, and she's starting to look worn, but I love her. And I'm still on the hunt for the Chanel key holder in black caviar leather with gold hardware. I am on the hunt for that. Actually, this weekend I may go to New York and maybe go to like the Chanel stores and see, or maybe I'll call customer service and see if they can tell me if any stores in my area may have it. So I have that, and then I just have my mom badge, and that's it. And this is how it looks when it's empty. So this is just a brown liner, and you do get a second compartment in here. So it's open, and then you have a little compartment. It doesn't have a zipper, but it's just open. It's pretty cool. I think this is a classic bag that I will probably keep in my collection forever. So I'm going to put everything back, and then I'm going to reattach them together. And then I'm going to show y'all a little bit what I'm talking about when I say it gets a little bulky. Let me just put it in here, play a little Tetris. My compact mirror, and then my perfume, and it stands up in there just perfect. Alright, so it's not too much sticking out, but you can see a little print of probably like my perfume. No, this is actually my backup battery that's poking out a little bit. So I'll just move it over. And then I'm going to reattach this. And see how it sticks up a little bit. It's not super flat. The only way you get that flat look if you don't carry just your cell phone in here. If you just carry your cell phone in here. And let me see if my cell phone can fit with all this stuff. And I have the 15 Pro Max. Yeah, this is 15 Pro Max. So now if I put my 15 Pro Max, it's way too tight. I would definitely have to take a few things out. So let me see. I hate overstuffing my bags. Yeah, I will have to take out probably my mom badge. Let me see if it fits. No, it doesn't. So look how tight it is. I can't close it. So I will not carry my phone in there. And 85% of the times my phone is in my hand. So it's not a big deal for me. It's not a deal breaker. But everything else fits really good. And it is just a fun, cute utility bag. At one point I thought about selling it because, like I said, I didn't grab for it as much. But then I started having second thoughts. And I remember at one time this bag was so hard to come by. I'm not sure if it is because I have not been shopping that much with Louis Vuitton. But I think I'm going to keep her. I may sleep on it and see. But for now, this is what I will be carrying for today for date night. And we're just going to see Planet of the Apes, so I'm not going to get over dressy for that movie. I'm just going to be cool, laid back, and casual. Okay, guys, that is it for this. What's in my Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette. So if you're new here and you like videos like this and you made it this far and you are not subscribed, you are not an official citizen, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. So every time I upload a video, you'll be notified and become official citizen. Yes, girl, join the family, okay? Till next time, Sid signing off. Peace.